Hi guys, and welcome to the Voice of AI. My name is Chris Plant, and today in our Make Your Own Prompt series, I'm going to show you how to upload another prompt right onto Snack Prompts. I want to help you create a real good library of cool and useful prompts. So let's dive in right now. Okay guys, so here we are in ChatGPT again. I'm going to enable the Snack Prompts up on the top left-hand corner. Just remember, if you want to install Snack Prompts, you can click on the top right-hand corner of the screen now and you'll see the installation link. Okay, great. So here we go. So let's set up straight away a new prompt. We go straight into create there, and I've already set this one up. So I'm just going to put it in and show you exactly how to do it. So the title of the prompt is, okay, so we just paste that straight in there. Okay, now the description, which I'll come to in a second. Right, the description we can paste in here, must be up to 40 characters. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the prompt in first as well at the bottom here. And then I'm going to explain the prompt as we're going through it. Okay, so we put the prompt in here. Okay, let's just put that in. Here we go. Right then, so first of all, what's the whole point of this today? Well, okay, so we will import our news story title here from a news source. Okay. And what we'll do is we'll put this in now. So let's tag this. So we're going to copy this now because this is what I've already put in before. I'm just going to put a tag here. So simply put the tag in and you'll see that straight away it's referred me to the tag here from this tag. So now I'm going to paste it in there. Breaking news story title. I simply press return, and everywhere where I have my tag and breaking news story, it's automatically put in the news story. So what I can do there is just check everything. Great. So based on the breaking news story today from the news source. Now I want to put the news source in there also. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that, because what we'll do now is we'll just put in the hashtag again. There we go. And we're back in the tag. Let's put in the news source and double point. And then there we go. Great. So let's take out that news source. You can see it's in a different color. Okay, so now we've got, based on the breaking news story title from this particular news source, generate me a list and quote the source. That's the source of the news story. And I want to have a number of stories. So I'm going to put in this as a hashtag as well now. So let's do the same again. Let's copy the word number, put in a hashtag again, and that activates the tag search here. There we go. Number, can put that in there. And we will press return and you see number comes up. Okay, and we can take out that there. So generate me a list and quote source of number of stories, so number of similar stories written today based on the breaking news story. So this will all come up here later on and we'll see that. So keep the result very similar to the breaking news story. Task 1. So we've given it 5 tasks today. First of all, task 1 is summary of the breaking news story, including the time of the release. So we'll get to know exactly when it is. Of course, we've got to know the story, but sometimes if you have a smartphone or a computer nearby, then you'll see the breaking news and you can go to that story and then immediately copy the information to our prompt. Task 2, give me a list and summary output of the results. Then 3, list all keywords at number. Now, for some reason that didn't copy. I guess it's because I put a double point on there. So let's just paste that into here. I can just simply copy and paste it, press return, and it will already activate it instead of having to go to tags. List of all keywords, spelling mistake there, of number of similar stories. Okay. And then task 4, generate a 500-word blog on the keywords. So the keywords are the list of keywords that we made from the story, and we will generate then a new story based on those keywords. Task 5, which is now rewrite the blog post in more detail using actual names of people, and I've put starring in the story. Task 5, now rewrite the blog post in more detail using actual names of people starring in the story. So whoever's in the story, double R there, when possible. Okay, so that's the prompt now finished. We've got the summary here, which you can read the description, and we've got the title. We're going to add the topics now, so let's put in the topics. Okay, so I've put business, marketing, news, SEO, of course, and research here. So I can simply now publish that prompt. So here we go, we're going to publish that prompt. Okay, that's great. So we've uploaded that image there. Let's just download that image so we have it. close this box and close this box. Okay, so let's choose our breaking news story. So a couple of hours ago, I just saw that there was a sport news story, which is quite interesting. Liverpool complete the signing of McAllister. May not be interesting for everybody, but it will just show you. It could be any news story, but this has only just happened. So I take the news story heading and it's BBC Sport. So here we go. We type into the breaking news story, the headline. We just type in BBC Sport there. And then a number of similar stories. Let's check 6 different stories. And basically we can fire away, send off to ChatGPT, come into the box here, and we will press the green button. Okay, off we go. So first of all, it's going to summarize the BBC Sport article. So the summary of McAllister, Liverpool signed Brighton and Argentina midfielder. Time of release was 8th of June. And task 2, list and summarize output of the results. Okay, so here we go. These are different ones. The titles are here. These are different stories away here. We've asked for, if you remember, we did ask for a summary output of the details. We actually asked for the source as well here, but sometimes it gives the source, sometimes it doesn't. So it's a bit random, so we can always go back and change that. But actually it's working quite well. We've got all of these 5 different articles that we asked for. Here's a list of keywords, Liverpool, Brighton, all of these keywords here. Now we've made a 500-word blog based on the information that we've already received. So let's continue generating. We've got title, Alexis McAllister, Liverpool's ambitious signing strengthens midfield options. Then we've got the introduction, the way that he's expanding midfield depth, the impressive rise of this player, Liverpool's pursuit of success, and then adapting to the manager's system. And this is quite interesting now. And then what we've got as well is task 5 to rewrite the blog. And what I like to do is I like to give myself 2 options with the blogs to see which post I prefer, whether it be the first one or the second one in a bit more detail. But there you go. That's how to do it. Perfect. Thank you. Well, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and tips. Please join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section below. And I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from The Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.